We're going to take advantage of this weather and turn him into baby Snowda. And see how he stands up in the snow. So let's watch this and see how it goes. We're supposed to get a foot of snow or more. He's got little icicles on him. I was hoping that the snow was going to come up to here because it was supposed to be about a foot. We ended up getting a change in the weather and his... All right, buddy. Okay, he's very frozen. Put some plastic in there to keep his center part, which I was worried about would get wet, but everything else looks pretty good. Now let's just go and take him inside and thaw him out. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in weathering props, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, check out my channel and please subscribe because you never know what you're gonna see.